for comma ama mokodi
agro muska.
Yes, sana no. Political party bia ko fa kunti
for Western region. Ena yenya information say eye opare ansa.
Ina ye tie Sompa.
Eni nana bi. There was an altercation between the two.
Yes.
Ama eba bonten ama ete say eye opare ansa ehwi nana bi asum. Okay. You free ho, mo free ho na mo de wani kire bo.
So uji
me nya botre me ba. No wait, mami wie me pacho, mami wie. No awa mami wie.
Yes.
Misro. We are madam for mami wie.
Yes.
Awa mo free ho e na mo ko sunyane. Mo ko du sunyane abronye ene Kennedy Japan.
Yes.
De esi.
Yes.
Mo free ho e na mo de bedu eye Kumasi. Bantama. Allegedly we are told say it was Dr. Baumia against Honorable Kennedy Japan. And my interview be her. Obi no hot train say. A branch na was sick kind of. Na oka Dr. Mahmoud Baumia convoy no. O chere kakra na omutimu.
So say ni pa e true for because bo Kennedy Japan voice wa. Kennedy Japan e can say when Dr. Baumia for nyina security
yes
so obi ka tell say wait obi ka tell say dia oya ye no e can security now oya true for I don't know the person but he's a liar because Kennedy Japan me tie the voice okay o video no ha na Ghana fonte we say dia wote no wonnim Dr. Baumia security for nyina
of atade no so
omu ba kokura ni ho a of atade no person metie san fan kwa onye obi a for me onkan ho he's not someone one ye enante onye party official na wo see minti ye wo obi sikan no wo say nipa na wo sikan no onye Baumia support onye Baumia security but entra some media surrogates a kabom trying say yes one is sick because say or Dr. Baumia nipa na one is sick
David yes sir ya kana sir ye nra yeti ha ye di common awa ma David my can chiro
me see
media house what we did yesterday was that your friend Alish Raj ye need di common
yes
he tells us say some rant and ground also ni momo
okay
then we also called one of our MPP Nikese pa na what program nase
yes
and it tells us say nipa na was kind of na omuti aye once our buses white bin about
so the good news is say Kennedy Japan say omuko police station omuni nipa no picture kra wo ho eye sa na Kennedy kan we say omu picture no ho omu efa pellets of aye your friend say etu a omuti say etu wo ho
okay so let me finish my question so adentina mo thank you toy baby amubeko biano there is a challenge
so Mr. Tia may build a point
okay
because who preconceived mind the bintin no the question you are interjecting me Mr. Tia may come
I don't have any preconceived mind though because that is the taking of the ordinary Ghanaian
so mama me say mama biano yes. Problem BNC except Bantama because the attorney said Nana B yes starting now himself on MC
the guy
there be no because usually you want to cry MC of your friend say
program you no MC
so I know na make actual say
Western region no
there be na onye MC a eno nkyere say wateato say na wo west a wo ka say wateato
meba
on tinto
enti Kumasi no ho
na bi wo ho
eyi no ho
evan
your friend say Sunyane no ho
Nana bi esan ba Accra say obey preparation towards your 5th May demonstration a yebeye in the next 4 days
enti no oni ho
yes o see wateato
I say on can
dia wo can say wo bibia wo ni say wo je to mu say na say wo ye je to mu say ye try and trust say ye born na su na no kwenti o jane
anu dem ntimi je ntum wa
because
national
program no
yes
enye opare answer there national executives and Dr. Baumia. Yes, Anna, your friends, National Council said, National Council say the flag bearer together with the National Council Neko, we are party penny a udiachri. So how say see ya bonasum inti watiato? Why? On tinto because a human campaign torn. Because the national organizer, yeah, program kese. Yeah, save the judiciary your friends demonstration Accra. In the next 4 days.
Enuntina onka torn who do maybe.
There be obetimanu huno no hasaba because miracles was there. But I did no okloma of our next flight by. But no kumasi. But buy any koye jumabi and sign a walk. So that is how it's supposed to be. And you say chinchina or say all the 16 centers. It's a correct. Again. National chairman. Yedi krata aba because you say people can play mischief. Yakwana uniwa a lot of people can play mischief. National chairman the minimum said no inti na wama. This is something to me and so nipa ya renti I was me say what I know ni say no dudu and unti na ama o can say will take a break for 2 days. And unti me the statement aba I chira will say in the next 2 days and answer 3 days. And to one who now you say people will play mischief and a
I don't think a statement we never.
Yes, statement about say or your friend say or be BB abia your friends are me any and
okay, let me read a statement.
Yes.
National chairman on brief break.
Yes.
For the thank you Thor.
Yes.
The new Patriotic Party wishes to inform all members and the general public that the national chairman has taken a short break from the ongoing nationwide thank you Thor to attend to some pressing matters.
Yes.
The national chairman remains fully committed to the Thor and will rejoin the team in due course.
Exactly.
Okay, that's it.
So, and I make a choice and who do into one tianto.
Okay.
So, when you go so I
well, say you can't say na much say I know you any agent.
So, you go so I they see was sunyane no. Minu ye cry at high.
Yeah.
It me ya meneno. Ya kwa to the extent that you ya nchia ho.
So
ko baby yes, ko baby ekika ya 3 news ara hefa. Meneno kika ya, but you no you koi. Later na san ko share baby na san So when you're interacting with people, definitely obi betimi aye. Abronye obi ani baby a ogina. Abronye obi ani say the godfather in this party Kennedy. Whether you like it or not, on the free Bruno na we youth organizer Bruno. E den ba Accra de bia wote the station your friends say the same Kennedy Braka say me madam for pa no. Okay.
It's true.
Say but now opese ogu mani as according to him. Because ye campaigning no. Abronye and sticking the neck out for any of the candidates. One can say Kennedy, one can say Baumia. Or can say on ntimi on to abani bi kra. You remember obey press conference can say about one kra on to be. But I say obi ni din aye campaign e de ama Kennedy wan kahwe ye bedru akra ye say ono so na eye Baumia. So okaye no it's possible say when he anje de okaye no Kennedy so e buy the good news ni say before say omo ebe free hokra no Dr. Baumia kasa ne frɛ omo e mo chiae Momu ye bibia. Sa video ne obi ankyere. Sa video.
Oh, sa video no get me who you.
Aha.
No, I've not seen that video.
Because negativity SLA echen eyi.
No,
producer prehu.
David, sa video no
say in the media space negativity no SLA chain.
Omu chiai.
Oh, before Baumia even started talking, omo sorry bye. Omu jinaye, echiaye, hagi omo.
So why must that happen?
Because obi anti-man control emotions. Bako anti-man control emotions. Because you see, obi fum kuma obi fum nja. When Abronye said that, I was not happy. You understand?
Oh,
but same as man
can answer. I can't bear 3 minutes.
Me say, time na Abronye can say I had wished he had not said that over there. But you see, obi fun kuno obi fumunda. So I didn't expect that response. My response in the buy, you penny for omutimi ehye ema omo ekabo mu ema omo ye bibia kama. Can Japan see wa withdraw? Inti entwaso na ontimi. That is fine. Yegusu ayeye. Mate say bi say oh yenjai thank you Tony na keka ho. Thank you Tony there. Intimi njai. National Council ena ahye say yenkoye thank you to. Na yenkoda nipa 4.8 million na omoto abama ye no. Na yenkyerechire nsemu nkyira omo. Se ne beya ochine bi no se ye ba inimse at least the omoto abama ye no. Ye ni so ye da o masene na keka ho. Obi bia okwo elections bia both NDC MPP eko thank you to. Even at the constituency obi jina assembly my cross anko thank you to. One wanya de but otimi kota nkrofo ase because ebi ne ko ye campaign na keka ho. So thank you to the eguso. Ye kono eye voluntary enunti na ma say onu kwa ne first person na o join ya onkoka sansa na kojopo kunsafo ebe join ade so kra am be join enti ye kono feel say de ye kono acrimony bam na ontimi nkwa. I think there is nothing wrong with that. In any setting there is a conflict. In any setting there is a conflict, but how you manage it is very very important. If Susu said the ekoi ebetimi amanage ni na ye thank you to ni na ya start a process no esa se meni wo ka say ya kan say obi bia owo bibia o pese esesa won constitution mu a Frank Davis committee no atnase a omo ye adwuma send the come omo by July ebe kwa the changes no e change we a na ya start polling station sisi a enemy hu say and then exactly 3 years na ye constituency elections inti akabe 1 year na national executive regional
you know also omudin komo ansana Dr. Bamia kra ekasai so yetimi solve conflict ni by they say who say yeah it heni adwen bia
exactly yes but who say questions now who say you starting with question watiato who say let me show say you say watiato dia so the attorney say thank you Tony Eguso. We do not expect a seamless NDC Lusu elections no kai say in 2016 omo koloko up party for crack koloko up headquarters na Freda Gbonyo any Barbara ohokra omo kan so omo peni mo nsi ambebu omo ni na keka ho it yen expect all these things to happen because after elections no especially we Lusu say ya bitterness wom obi feel say wamboa yen obi feel say the anka wo say onya no we nya ni na keka ho ena woye. So I think that when there we will manage it well. Yebeko na yakowie. Kede Japan say osi onkwa enye hwe ye nyina no ebeto aso na yaye de obetima join bia no obetima join e bia ye koi say ne team ka say onsamra na on join ya we have no problem.
All right, my gwa amano so na me the third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party. Aye ye nua be Mama Masoud ye ndin ko bia madam fododo eja ye jira everything chiban. Chairman also that to say Chairman that to say
ya be do minua
my friend pa na da be na me hu ma bank kan o se mi ti me hwehwe
ya do tonu by next week there na ya me do le waka
next week waka ma be hwehwe wate inshallah that's say no yenya communicate bi every the national chairman of the New Patriotic Party in chain was is there or take a short break akra but short break he said the amount for and say I said thank you Tony near man shedan koyi enuntina chairman aji short break akra aje biano going komo una obeng the national chairman then pa na eko
the other time I mean tia for na me tia Ghana for now ma debunking sa propaganda and this for and about MPP no MPP they call thank you to me nim the ever NDC for omonja break ni ya anything me nim the ema NDC for ni break ni ya thank you to we cement bo kosoro na me nya bo kosoro muntimin takle to amudi ye muntimin ta bi na sem ya thank you to na muka unim o say ni pa bia ya break ana me bo
and the chairman
and break break keke ajumani ya starting no on the national chairman, on the party is a CIA nim, on the penny. So let's start Accra, Yanin call Western North, Yanin call Western region, Yanin call Ahafo region, Yako Bunu region, every Bunu region, Asante region, Asante region. Then last day we are Asante region. Now, never no dosu, and you on Kwana, I would draw it. Moja, Nanabi, Adibabi Baye, Yaman Nanabi Koye. Ekwa this Ajima Patino. Patino, Ajima dosu or Patino. Yanya Brasa, Yaya power no 2028. So I would Stephen Team. Ajima Solon could be every chairman never to buy a dime, ever to buy this Ajimano. Into the chairman give break, the car, ever quack, Sajimano, or do we, and Tabia, or we, Yamibwa, other obey share Savannah region, and now obey share Northern region. No, ya, thank you to so. That wasn't anything.
Now, national chairman or Yariana.
Yes, chairman and Yari. National chairman, what did the chairman, John Obama crowd? Vice president crowd. National chairman, what's supposed to your mama in the vice president?
But as I say, a while, Mohammed, I will see you. But communication team member. I say, national chairman, who do Kakra or Yabintina. Wako breakings is also which I say on Yari.
Media said, media minim say, Ajiba, Patino, Ajiba Bina, Oya, Oba Bedidi. Now, Yari, Obiara, it's very Yari anytime. Every minute, time, the minute, 17 Casano. No, Yari. Every after minute, Casano, bet my Yari. Obi nipa timi namkura na bibia nya no yeti gana ha na vice president akosi amisata no yare no nya bibia okọ jim kura ba ya ebeti ye kosi amisata wa wu so obi ani obeti be yare break no ko he adenti na mo pese kinchina mo hunu bienti no ko break adan party ne mo party ana o so ho bai. This is what the minimum how. And then Ghana, I will say Ghana no, I won't tackle no. So me catch Ghana for say, Stephen Team, break no call no, party nim, break no sem. And also, akoye no ye, as I a party Ajima Ghana na nim our car no, or break akoye. The same thing now and a bisha or no soon koya Ajima. Even me gina hono say I'm leading party no as a acting national chairman of the party. So ndana na say misu mbe udru akoye mbetuma udru akoye. Eno de anya asamdia.
Yo we de na nanu ada e Kumasi. Asam na esi na Kumasi Bantuma asam na esi na wo ho.
Bantuma na mi wo ho.
Antino dem pa na esi ye.
Bantuma adia esi wo ho no party Samo. Ye ba ye Sompa ye na kan dia mo mu no ho se ya ba ntem. So ye ba ye no na party for omunye enye reti. Oh, so ye ba ye chekakra. By 1 hour time ansana party constituency executive ni police station executive ni party for by so oholum no na onum say party there obiawo ni follower obiaso wo bi owodo no party no even though yenyira e bako but obiawo ni nipa so here but we go for omo ladies by ladies who buy but we are friends of Bawuya by friends of Kennedy by Obiabo in Soloku. So I sanu omudia grow sa up to time do the starting program no. You starting program the time the omfre ken. No omoya da omobo sa sa solo kuno mo bo sa na omo hwa kana Japan sa na omo frɛ bawura sa ono so no ko omo si jama no sa presi no so ya program no very well awie asundwe mo na bibia ni ho mi kura mi firi grounds no me call me hotel mini ken kura na nam ye ko si a hotel ye nyina the Arc Plaza wa Kumasi mini ken si ya na ken receive call no mo see one of his supporter oma won sikan the ken frame ken catch alaji wa se si na miti call by say omo si mi supporter bako omo won sikan na me say ebe ni say sikan by why na yes sir na ni driver catch la say omo si Ali Suraju boys ya me say Ali Suraju boys na me ken na ti ho so no na me yi phone frɛ Ali Suraju ken na nim ken a Japan na nim na me frɛ Ali Suraju na me bi say Ali Suraju then I see because me ma who no direct cut then ebe ni say na mo si ba ana wo obisikai also enyo mo na me say wo no see kwan so coffee dem so ombra your hotel no
Sompa
Ali Suraju ba your hotel no what explain you said no it wasn't any fight like that na sikabi no obi mo sika et say wonim tell boys omo man sika omo mo sika say omo che so sika no che no ni che no na ntawasi omo ntem na sa nyamirasem no ba ya na baku sika enye say ebi ken ni bawumiantina ade no happy ne kana explanation no so no yeah at a team no as a national officer no ya na bawumia nyina ko hospital no na ko hun boy na kura omo won sika ya hwe ya na
that na mo go hospital and no na mo go hospital
no the following day omo won sika no then omo won sika no na nyimbre ya na ye ko ho
Debbie yes your checks na ya say enro na mo ko ho
o say
ana mo ko abrante no
ndura na ko hospital no
enro nyumre na mo ko ho yeah
ndura nyumre na ko ho ni general secretary ni yawura
na sesi national chairman enyiwa una wo ye acting national chairman per the report that you have just given us identity as asem na esi ye no muntimi issue statement apologizing to Ghanaians say ni akwakoba within our thank you told ntino ya pagana for acho boy ne busuafo only issue statement to that effect
say I don't want to say asem stis onye ntem issue state no obe issue to issue state bi no obe issue baby na e be money but the first thing part na here you confront ne busuafo ya to be hun na mame na nana ama ne nana kura explain time dia akwa no kura fie okoye na asam we si ye no the best thing part na here you confront on both family no so yeah my family no ya corner ya present your displeasure on what has happened you know na make sure say ya be gina ya na so ahwe akora no ya hokra but we donate 50,000 Ghana cedis to the grandmother to take care of the guy so ohonum no after ya mfefemu ye na ehun baby asam no si after say esa ya mpie embeka kira Ghana for the see say apacho bi na de be ma Ghana for na de ma omo na de ma na busha for no na ye but the America kira say mbetema aka kira say ade see ya no ye timi ko hunu on na busha for ye hunu ma mi no wo no ye hunu na onana wo de papa kwa ye say de papa kwa nti Ghana de papa wa abrochire
yo Rama Saudi e beda wase pass oni etwe enkomo but answer na be corona e branch na owo aye school ni sikan no sa branch mo hu na na
Sabretani Martin bi be me hunu me say because my teacher oma lobby complain bi ne busha for akoko lobby complain our police
na Abochie no wonim no
Abochie na kura minim no kura
za
tinibu de be minim no o say bi je ntimi hefa hunu no be say hunu de na mra bia e wo ho ebetima di no ebe di no
yo me da say chairman nyame sha why oba kra aya ba ente nka why me so me da say pa chairman Masaud da ma me call Dr. Aye bacho
me da say Prof me da say I'm say MPP for thank you to idea
bacho obi phone react
say MPP thank you to idea a battle to
okay
and yet thank you to be no more yet
then to
battle to
okay
and stabbing to and a tantrum store just say thank you to any tree any dia a exercise in excuse making Dr. Baumia a blame obia apart from himself and so when you be a party
Sompa 106.5
na onka ho kra ya kwakofa wa be vice president the why flag bearer o hwe se obedi president ene de o ka che Ghana food na say o vice president ya odi ye no na we simpa panyi na usuni fa so bia o te ho keke ena ye o te lam cruise because be ka kire me say 3 days to election ye to petrol na ya nka kire wa o pa kire say prof na say head of economic management team now we are president de sanima we na show sano you are just occupying the position me vice president position it is we are the second most important person in Ghana until me can say ya to petrol 3 days until we blame president Kufuor na nipa wa kofa wa fi ba bi de Ghana show sa Ghana sika sama show sa what that president Kufuor so we nim economic management and the Ghana economy ashawansa in 2018 State of Nations address President Kufuor catch Ghana for nyina say Ghana economy no is under the leadership of a brilliant economist be a friend of mine. In fact not about me now because say solid economic management me boy nene de ascend be the see such a jamasi atumpa anya de anda Ghana for acidity Dr. Baumia. You see, I be a besi bia nyawa. Aye. Ena, there's some I lose you say, now there was arrogance of power. Hey, Prof. Okay, say me be Ghana full soon trade jajo. Somebody be buy a friend with E-levy. Me boy.
okay
I'm out for a demonstration.
I'm out for it
E-levy as some can say that's all cut. Omundi we. Adudu na so omumpe E11 no ebe gu omunyuma ebe se omusika sem at a point in time ana we are here for na nyina ye pe financial inclusion because of E11 people were not using momo meboa
yeah
dey ni see ye omukoye E11 cake. Who was the guest of honor for the cattle of E11 cake? Baumia
He was not even there.
Debbie,
He was not even there.
it's that no
me say
no
me say he was represented by his wife.
no but on one kasa no
me say he was represented by his wife. Etila Samira Eden.
Ken Furata
Me say Etila Samira Eden.
Samira was
Masa mame kasa
no
so
but
kasa me
mun check it say in my program no
he was there her picture no right
Mama fatu screen so
fatu so say ka me boba.
He was not there.
but with the fatu screen so
This was the cutting of the E11 cake.
The cutting of the 11.
fatu so mame
Aden Ghana onko na wa ye na ye ne wa say
But
Google pictures e be 3.
So where were him?
na picture me
This is it.
Picture way. Benim say a program be ase.
And a e-levy cake share outfit no.
This one
outfit they say to me fan outfit but Google and check for me.
There be say or obi wa ha.
No.
He was there.
Me ba cho. Omo cut cake na ba omi anim.
Share.
Me ba cho
Me ba.
Nah. Because about me account. Abochie cake Baumia was not there. So that Baumia or Uncle Robert part. Yes, he was not there. He was
consistent.
He was not there. Beba chop me go man so na me ndin komo yi kakra. Beba with 1 minute. Whilst we do a search for this, let me have a conversation with Madam Rebecca Sasu. Onona ye won the banese kan ma me ndin komo simetia. Mami Rebecca right to say.
Yamia the morning, but I'm
Yeah, who you buy? Emma Baba Sompa FM. I won't crying for God and country. You made you so.
But you.
But you know about what to say.
Yamia the morning,
oh, why you there free hospital?
Never tried that.
Oh, that's the hospital.
Never tried.
Oh, Kasani BBI Kama.
Yamia the Bibia, you come out and with Bibia.
And you know, and you be a something to see, you know. I'm paying for Bennett to an among a babu chain. About how banner. Let me finish this interview.
Former by President Dr. Mahmoud
Hello, but what you can? Hello, Mami Rebecca, what you can? All right, information I pay free in the order. I think we've gotten it. It's okay. I'll see you here, so that's it. Yeah,
Prof, Mamen Kasa.
Kasa.
80 hours. Prof, they tell say there's an MPP strategy. Almost a time so now on our Kasa lasa. No interject.
Kasa.
During the cutting of e-levy cake, Baumia Samira Baye to cut the cake just about 20 minutes after Baumia Kasaba. He was the special guest.
Have you found
the producer? Yes, the pictures are there.
I want to see the pictures.
Project pictures in the
No, Baumia was not there.
He was there. No producer project say
after 20 minutes went by. So,
what do you know? Masa. Prof, where sir enye do me mic
Debi
o ka sabi e di are no target
the mic no do the
wa so ha
debi wa so ha kan ma yie frem.
This was aftermath of the cut. You say Chemen Satari. My next picture. Your viewers in or say Chemen the same dress during the cutting of the cake.
Actually, where cake? Yes, cake.
No. Where?
This is a cake. Next picture, me.
Next picture.
Me want to talk about show. Mo go Facebook. Picture we Oh,
me ba.
Oh, there be. Doctor. Dog.
Me ba. Share.
Say 11.
He was there.
He was not there.
He was there.
Okay, so there is this information. Let me put this one out. In a rather controversial manner, the cake Honorable Oseche Mentabusu cut me producer. In a rather controversial manner, the cake Honorable Oseche Mentabusu cut to celebrate his birthday was designed as e-levy, a controversial matter that has led to fisticuffs in Parliament and throwing of chairs. At the birthday party, the majority leader, joined by the Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, and other leading members of the party. Okay, so
he was there.
So he was there. Okay, so he was there.
For the birthday, for the birthday, witness of the e-levy cake.
But he was there. But he was not part of the cutting of the cake.
Me say. Onuna no a special guest of honor for that.
But he was not part of the cutting of the cake.
Do you think the vice president goes anywhere just like that?
But you saw those.
He was aware of it. Emma, the year cried the car. What did I say? What is more arrogance of power than that? Just like the Ghana phone you know about 11 now.
What are you arriving at? That is why he said.
What I say?
Yeah.
Oh, Mame Kasa.
Our Mame Kasa. Please. Our please, man.
What I say? Number 2, Prof. Utemi. There are reports I suggest say maybe there was a military man that were prayer because of one of the operations. They needed to airlift him from where he was to Accra for medical care. Yebisa baby a military helicopter. It says Samira the campaign. Yes. Oh, Mame Kasa.
Oh, David.
Otherwise, Samira bodyguard.
Way back at Nkransa. Now Samira Babe commission projects be.
Of course.
Oh, you sue.
So
the helicopter.
Yes, Mame Kasa. Oh, Mame Kasa. Oh, Mame Kasa.
But she came to commission a project there.
Me say. Now. Azuma okay. Yes, omo ye campaign. Nipa Mame Kasa. Nipa ye campaign. Or commission projects in the government. Everybody kuna baso. Send you kunu economic waste. Oti I say the only economic waste that on produce one economic song pokrada. Oti I say that is arrogance of power. And nobody wants to talk about it. Na unia where they make us say campaign thank you Tony a battle tono. Our person say BBNC between Opare Ansa and Nanabi. Opare Ansa is reported to have attacked and slapped Nanabi. There's a video about here. Na Kennedy Japan. To Nanabi for say ya brother Subato do
video man no.
Video no about it.
Okay, me that say ba me kwa about so na me ndi nkomo.
That's what see me.
Oh, be see.
What see me? Every time I walk, me what see me?
I want ekasa for 15 minutes.
Me.
Okay,
this is not the first time MPP in opposition to pass ASU. Okay, there was acid bath in MPP headquarters. There were multiple blood baths. And for Tamana na do flag bearer na afoko mu ne o Mame Kasa afoko mu ne cabinet apom ye pam no ya bubu boys no to acid na see educate ya it is thank you to ya thank you to ya abaye battle story eno na ama national chairman no akura oni anwodin say ya born national organizer suma e bia na next time ya dey ya be born.
Okay, so ba me na me kwa amano so na me effective.
So MPP esa Ghana for nyina hu say no this party no the level of acrimony in this organization we are a war party. It is not a party also a mabu na do ho dom mo.
May I say 0260196064 0260196061 obet me friend now wabadwumadi no so 0260196064 0260196065
yeah friend Ghana mabu no say omo form ho be dom party a we respect your capabilities.
24
na Ghana for and to aba and form support Emma NDC na MPP there there is no future for you.
All right, me that's it. So hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me pato wana me na kasai.
Pato me de kasa fe adenta.
Me pato yetio.
Yo, me pamocho asumje na yepe yempen tokwa ewo Ghana nti yepa mocho mo koso enkasa nche yempe nyimpo ni se empaipa mu bia aba omontem no omo na yentina oman mu asumje mu idamo ase.
Yes, you are the pass of Badjumedi. So hello, good evening. But good evening. All right. We ain't me Hamado. So 0260196064 0260196061. When that number I'll be to me afresh so now do I drink today Abeboa. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me ba to udi be akasa free.
Apparently, so takrade.
Akasa free takrade. Oda man pato eti o. Takrade eti o. Me pacho, I'm say one who said to you, in the more, yes, sir. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me pacho, didn't baby Okasa free.
You, me pacho, one kasa na the dunia mi feel
me pacho biti o.
You me pacho no bia ho ye de.
Bia ho ye.
You de Nyankopon asen so na mo program si de mental maso. Na kaka me ka se ye minuanom MPP for no se me show me. Adekunche ye lusu ye no se. A come na di Ghana. Because me ye party bani. Na so hwe na ekọ so man ni mu a na ekom di aso. Ye ka wontie. O ma gbe nsempeni fo no mo nyo mo di na mo hye wo botumu na o mo di ni tinu. Ye a ye wodan no mo nwe ho. Enu nti enye bibia. Ye ka so kom mu a enu makotena ye radio so ekom bi anim eno man ko ye yesre enu nti ena ye den. Ye lusu ye nti ma ye blemu obia sa yi ekom na o man ga na mu no enu nti o mu lusu ye no. That's really not
me ba jona o free he
but I say
who can say free
you can say free Madina so Abochie in Sompa
that's so by Jumadi no so okay Sabri let's see I think we'll pick the last call and then go to the board and read the messages 0260196064 0260196065 winning numbers are between our phrases so okay so let's talk to this caller. Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Sompa FM.
Good evening.
Me ba one minute ka say.
Yes, na ye che Sompa.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, na ye che Sompa.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, me ka say I got it down. The fuck do the do.
I got it down. Do the do. I won't cry how.
I won't cry yeah. Minimum.
Ai minimum antika samenko.
Ma say, you know what can be said. My appointment in and I said, with the club access. And me under some new question, no young people, me listen, I was now. This last year, I'm sure I'm a people. There's a couple of NDC. Never said, never was no, the mama back. It's me, the spec. Because legend that Obiani can access. Obiani can access what I'm a Beno, own say, don't you want to know where this is? Yeah, people look with them.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Right. Yo. Bye bye. Hello, good evening. Hello. Hello. Okay, original line of soon to me. Sabre, course the ban by me. Are the messages be bring by. You never know what catching. Emotion you. One more manage social media pages. We are very careful.
And I can Japan was stepping down from it. Because what to be tells money no good support. Almost a kind of Patia. Oh, yeah, thank you to her. I was a oda Ghana for almost to about man to Abama Watino. Only nam na woman excuses. And I talk I see Yabu Bimu Amakene Japan will withdraw from the contest. I don't think say as a party no and I say we must encourage a situation where
all right
a democratic party like
it's
that
about time for abuse so
and there's no difficulty